Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Feelings and Emotions poem. I am hot, I am surprised, I am cold. You are sleepy, you are calm, you are bored. He is hungry, he is thirsty, he is sad. They are active, they are brave, and they are bad. She is angry, she is nervous, she is tired. We are happy, we are funny, we are kind. See you again on the Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.